Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, Tracy here. Can we make our own spaghetti sauce from scratch in an Instant Pot? Well, we're finding out. To my Instant Pot on the saute mode, I cut up 1 whole tomato, seeds and all. Okay? Then I diced up an onion, added some olive oil, minced garlic, some roasted red peppers, Italian seasoning, oregano seasoning, 1 beef bouillon cube, a cup of water. And y'all, yeah, we've pretty much let that simmer down to cook most of the water out. Now, I'm just going to take my handy dandy immersion blender and puree it up. Let's see what we can do. Y'all, if I can make my own spaghetti sauce with my tomatoes, I can do this in an Instant Pot too. We are going to be turning this into a, oh, if my thing would act right. Whoa. Let me get this pureed up, y'all. Hold on just a second. Let me get this pureed up. Okay, y'all, as I was saying before I got rudely interrupted by a malfunctioning immersion blender attachment, I turned this into spaghetti sauce. I blended it up really good. In turn, I am turning this into a creamy Marsala sauce. After I blended it up really good, I added heavy cream and Parmesan cheese and some salt and pepper, blended it up some more, and I'm just going to let this hang out and simmer. I'm going to get pasta noodles going in the microwave because next I am going to be taking this cream cheese mixture that has cream cheese, sour cream, roasted peppers, minced garlic, onion powder, chopped up spinach, and I'm going to be stuffing this badly beat up chicken, y'all. I butterflied them. I pounded them down flat. We're going to be putting the cream mixture inside here, and then we're going to roll them over, and we are going to be baking this chicken up in the air fryer. And then, y'all, we're going to just create a wonderful meal tonight. All right, so let me get that done. Y'all, whew, I barely got those in there. I'm putting these in my silicone liner because I do not want that cream cheese mixture oozing out into the bottom of my air fryer. So I'm doing these in my silicone liner in the air fryer. And I'm going to turn these on and bake these until the chicken is done and it reaches the internal temperature for chicken and they get good and golden. And then we're going to be taking these out and serving them over our noodles and our Marsala sauce. So y'all just hold tight. All right, y'all. The noodles cooked, the Marsala sauce simmered, the chicken baked, and here we are. Y'all, that made a big plate. I'm probably going to get 2 nights out of this, y'all. Just my plate. Look at that. All right, now we got to taste test this, y'all. All right, y'all, it's time to taste this. Y'all, please excuse the way I look. This is the last few days of our stay here on this work trip. And I have been packing and getting things out to my truck and packing my truck up. And I look like, yeah, it's windy. Yeah, it'll take your brain along with your hair. The wind is so strong. Let's try these noodles with the is it Marsala or Marsala? I don't know. Y'all, I said to myself, if you can can your own tomato sauce and put it in a jar and put it on the shelf, you should be able to just make some sauce fresh for the table. And I did. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm going to try the noodles first with the sauce, if I can get them wound around my fork here. And let's blow on it, because I see the steam, y'all, and it's a little hot. I don't want to burn my tongue. Oh, that's good. Shut the front door. I did it. I did it. I made Marsala sauce from scratch, fresh for supper. I'm so excited. Oh, let me try the chicken now. Oh man, I didn't grab a, you know what, what's it called? A knife. Hold on. I want some of that crusty crust, y'all. I may have to go get me a knife. Hold on, because this ain't gonna cut, my fork ain't gonna, oh, there we go. There we go, there we go. I'm making a mess, y'all. Hold on. I want to try the stuffed chicken with that cream cheese on the inside. Oh, yeah. We're fixing to try the chicken now. You see that? See that? See that stuffed chicken? See that crust on the top, y'all? Y'all, I'm loving coming up with recipes for my air fryer and Instant Pot. Just like, let's see what we can do with this. This is going to be hot. I see the steam. But that stuffed chicken, y'all. That's a big bite, too. Hold on. Oh. It has that crunch. That cream cheese filling. Folded up in there. Y'all, with these noodles and this Marsala, I took some of that sauce and I just drizzled some on top. Y'all, that's awesome, but I'm not going to be, I didn't know it was going to make this much. I'm not going to be able to eat all this tonight. We will, and he won't neither. We'll probably have this for tomorrow night too. Y'all, that turned out awesome. I'm so proud of myself for making fresh tomato sauce first and then turning it into Marsala sauce, whatever. A creamy tomato basil sauce. Oh, I had fresh basil too that I snipped and I put in there. Y'all, fist bump. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Okay, y'all. I will catch y'all in the next video.